Okay, you want to run a machine, and I need you to turn on the air compressor, and we have no high pressure air. So we're going to go out back. If the door is locked, probably is because I haven't turned on the air compressor, you're going to need my keys. You're going to need specifically the A key. It says A on the side. You're going to open up the lock. Now the key cannot come out of the lock when it's open, so you're going to open the door. And then you're going to lock the lock back on the thing and take the keys. Now we're going to walk down here towards the air compressor, which is right here. And it's a two-step process. One, we want to make sure the tank is out of all air. So we're going to drain it by opening this valve right here, and water will leak out. I normally give it a minute or two. Make sure no water's coming out. If a little bit's trickling out, I also sometimes turn on the air compressor, which you're going to press and hold this button. To turn it off, by the way, I'll show you that in a minute. And you'll hear it fire up. And then it's going to take a second to build pressure. And then a bunch of water is going to squirt out like that. And then we can go ahead, wait for it to kind of even out, and close it. And the air compressor is up and running, and you can see it building pressure. Normally we leave the door open, this door open, so that we make sure we close it when we turn off the air compressor. Now, to turn it off, it's basically repeat the process. We come back here, and to turn it off, we're looking for this icon right here to go away. So we press and hold. Icon starts flashing, that means it'll shut down. And we can go ahead and lock up, because we normally only turn off the air compressor at the end of the day. So we're gonna close the door. And by the time this is locked, you should hear it shut off. So we're gonna put the key in, open it up, close the door, put the lock back in, and the air compressor should shut off. There it goes, and we are done. Make sure this door is both closed and latched before you leave.